Hello and welcome to RL Boats. We are checking out this 2004 Intrepid 366 Open Center Console. The Intrepid 366 Open, also known as Intrepid 370 after 2005, is built with a stepped Kevlar hull, glass bottom, incredible ride quality. The power is triple 2012 Mercury supercharged Verado 300s. These engines were purchased in 2012 and installed in 2013. The electronics were updated at about the same time. And there is a total of 23 hatches on the boat. You have fish box, 2 life wells. One of the fish boxes converted for diving with oxygen tank. Here's the leaning post with tackle station. You have 2 Taco Grand Slam outriggers, twin antennas. The Forerunner radar dome works, but it's not connected to the Garmin displays. You would need to either replace the dome or add a Forerunner compatible screen. Lots of space for fishing, diving, entertaining. Nice loungers in the bow. The seat forward of the console slides over electrically to reveal a 6 feet 2 inches deep privacy compartment with a head, sink and shower. This is for rod storage, gunwale rod storage, lockable of course. And coming in, there is a recessed anchor windlass and storage compartment in the bow. This is the privacy compartment with head, sink and shower, stereo and VHF, another shower over here, 2 fuel tanks, access here. Again, this is electric. At helm you have Mercury digital fly-by-wire throttle with docking mode, tolling mode. This is the fish finder, nice through hull transducer. This is the anchor windlass remote, stereo, autopilot, chart plotter, engines up and down, digital controls, and bow thruster over here. Battery switches, all 9 of them. And over here we have the engine flush down system. Connect one hose to flush all 3 engines at once. Lastly, there is a walk-through diving door on the starboard side. There it is. 2004 Intrepid 366 Open, triple 2012 Mercury Verado 300s. Goes over 60 miles an hour, enough fuel to cross over to the Bahamas, and the boat's been to Bahamas many times. This boat is offered by RL Boats Yacht Brokerage. Call 954-707-1824 for more information or to schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching. 2004 Intrepid 366 Open Center Console.